Hey, it's Mr. Wells. Just wanted to go over this 54321 sheet with you. This is your grammar worksheet for the beginning of this week, and just thought I would go over a couple of them with you so you knew what you were doing. But uh, you can click on the link that I gave that gives you the document. It's in a PDF format. If you know how to convert PDF into another format so you can write on it, you can do that and you can turn it in that way. Or you can just create a Google Doc and put the answers down on that and just take an extra minute and do it that way. But this starts with number 5, underlying the 5 capitalization errors and explain them below. And we've been talking about the rules of capitalization. You might want to go back and look at those rules, but you could start. You see the first sentence here. I'm so excited to finally visit London. Okay, London is a city. It's the name of a specific place, and so in that place, you're gonna want to have London capitalized. And there's 5 errors there, so I'll let you find those 5 errors and write them down on your sheet. Number 4, it says answer the 4 questions below about the following paragraph. Let's look at those questions, and I'll try to explain to you what they mean. Number 1, what is the setting? Setting is where something takes place. So look at the paragraph. Tell me what the setting of this story is. Number 2, what is the narrative point of view? Narrative point of view means first person, second person, or third person. Now remember, first person is when I tell a story and I use words like I and we. I went to the store. We had a great time at the party. I'm telling a story about myself. Second person is used very rarely, but it is you. Okay, so you went to the store. You had a great time at the party. And then the third uh, person point of view is he, she, they. Okay, so that's like if the narrator is talking about someone else. Tom went to the store. They had a great time at the party, something like that. So that's first, second, third person. If you need more examples, if you have more questions, you can ask me, or you can Google it. Just Google narrative point of view and see what kind of information you can come up with. Number 3, it says what type of conflict is used. I want you just to Google types of conflict in stories and read a little bit about that. See if you could answer that question about this paragraph. So, what type of conflict is used? And then 4, what words would you use to describe Diane before the fight? So, read this paragraph. See if you can come up with something about her mood. See if you can come up with something about what was going on in her mind, or what she was like. How would you describe her? Okay, turn the page, or I guess in your case, if you're looking at an electronic copy, you'll just go to the second. You'll go to the second page. But the second page here has number 3, underline 3 examples of oxymoron below. Oxymoron is on your vocabulary list for the week. And let's see here, oxymoron is when you have figure of speech that puts together opposite elements. Okay, so in other words, if you say the little giant, okay, that's two opposite things, or angry happy, or something like that. When you put 2 opposite things together, that's an oxymoron. So you're going to try to find 3 oxymorons here. Let's look at the first sentence together. We'll do that one here. When Mrs. Jones came into the classroom to see her perfectly organized classroom library in random order, she was furious. All right. What's the oxymoron here? If you said random order, then you'd be correct, okay? Because think about it. The word random means everything is all around and in chaos. Order means everything is thus so. So random order would be an oxymoron. The two words don't go together. Okay, number 2 here, underline 2 interjections and explain why they are interjections below. Okay, so you want to identify the interjections. Now, an interjection is, whoa! All right, that's an interjection. All right, when it's something forceful that comes into the sentence like that. So if you say, "Ew, that's disgusting," or "Wow, I can't believe that English class is so great," whatever you're thinking, whatever that is an interjection. So there's 2 interjections here that you'll find in this paragraph. And then the last one, number 1 at the bottom. What would be the first thing you would do if you were handed $1 million? You just write the answer. Tell me. You're supposed to use a topic sentence, supporting details, concluding sentence. So you'll probably end up with at least 3 sentences here. And tell me the things that you would do if someone gave you $1 million. All right, so this is Mr. Wells signing off. If you have any questions, you can email me. Let me know. This is due a week from when it's posted. And thanks. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.